Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 6th grade concept of summarizing numeric data. This is standard 6.12c in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 33 off the 2017 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have a list of just 3-digit numbers, and we have 8 of them, and they are looking at the area in square feet of apartments. But really the key term we need here is the range. So we need to calculate the range of these areas in square feet. And range is a measurement of spread. So how far apart are these data? So what we're going to do is we're going to order these from least to greatest. It's a pretty simple process. Let's order these from least to greatest. And let's just make sure we get all of them. So it looks like I've got 2 517s. That's interesting. Looks like those are my 2 smallest. And it looks like I've got another 500. It's going to be right here, 565. I want to make sure you don't mess anything up. Go slowly here. I've only got one 600, so that's going to be easy. 627. 700s, 2 of them. I've got a 714. Then I've got a 728. And we're just getting down to the end. 867. And then 961. So it looks like we've got all 8 of our numbers, and we put them in order from least to greatest. So how far apart are these numbers? Well, imagine that these numbers are on a number line here. Now this is not proportional because some of these numbers will be really close. Obviously these 2 517s will be right on top of each other. But you're looking to see how far apart is it from the smallest number to the greatest number. This is what you're going to be working with here. Greatest minus the least. And that's really what your range is. So as long as you can find the greatest number, and you can find the smallest number or the least number, subtract the 2, you should be good to go. So let's see what we have here. We've got 961 minus 517. And so we're going to have to borrow from the tens place. That's going to be a 4. And that's a 4. And it looks like we've got a 4, 4, 4. So our range looks like it is going to be 444 feet. Only problem being with this particular problem is we're going to have to be very sure that we got our answer correct because there's no A, B, C, or D to double check. So just to double check, let's go ahead and use inverse operation. Let's add my 517. My 444. Make sure I subtracted correctly. I want to get back up to the 961. So that's 11. That's 6. There we go. So there's my 961. So my subtraction looks correct. I'm comfortable with this 444, but now I've got to bubble it in. I could do all this work up to this point and still get it wrong if I bubble it in incorrectly. So I'm just going to draw a little sample down here of what the bubble sheet looks like. So the bubble sheet for 6th grade has got this top row right here, and it's got a decimal. So you can't do anything with that decimal. So you get 2 places in the decimals. You got the tenths, and then you got the hundredths. And then they give you 4 places to the left of the decimal. They give you the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, but they don't label them, so you just need to know where they are in regards to the decimal place. And 444, well, that's going to be your hundreds, your tens, and your ones, so you simply just have to label it, bubble it in like this, 444, and then make sure you find the 4s underneath. There's going to be from 0 to 9, and then just bubble them in, and that is how you're going to get your answer of 444.